Welcome back to the Daily Crypto Report, the place where we break down everything you need to know about crypto and the future of finance. Today, we're talking about Cardano, one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies in the world. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, Cardano's story is one you don't want to miss. We'll cover 1. How and when Cardano started. 2. The minds behind the project. 3. What its purpose is and how it's being used today. 4. And of course, what's next for this revolutionary blockchain platform. Cardano was launched in September 2017, and it wasn't just another cryptocurrency. It was built to solve some of the biggest problems in blockchain technology. The project was founded by Charles Hoskinson, a mathematician, entrepreneur, and one of the co-founders of Ethereum. Hoskinson left Ethereum due to differing visions for its future and went on to create Cardano with a unique approach to blockchain development. Cardano's development is led by Input-Output Global, a tech company that Hoskinson also founded. Another key organization, the Cardano Foundation, oversees the platform's growth and ensures its long-term success. Cardano stands out from other cryptocurrencies for a few reasons. Scientific philosophy. Cardano is the first blockchain platform to be built using a research-first approach. Every component is peer-reviewed by academic experts before implementation. Proof-of-stake consensus. Cardano uses a proof-of-stake mechanism called Ouroboros. Unlike Bitcoin's energy-intensive proof-of-work system, Ouroboros is designed to be secure, scalable, and eco-friendly. Layered architecture. Cardano's blockchain has 2 layers. 1. Cardano Settlement Layer. Handles transactions with Cardano, the platform's native cryptocurrency. 2. Cardano Computational Layer. Manages smart contracts and advanced functionalities. This separation allows for flexibility and scalability, making it easier to upgrade and improve. Cardano's mission goes beyond creating a cryptocurrency. It aims to solve real-world problems, especially in regions where traditional financial systems are lacking. Its goals include financial inclusion. Cardano is working on providing secure and affordable financial services to people in developing countries. For example, it's being used in Ethiopia to create blockchain-based systems for tracking student and teacher performance. Smart contracts. Like Ethereum, Cardano enables smart contracts, but it aims to make them more secure and efficient by ensuring they're built on a solid academic foundation. Governance and sustainability. Cardano is designed to be self-sustaining. Its treasury system allocates funds for future development, and its decentralized governance ensures that Cardano holders can vote on important decisions. So how is Cardano being used today? Let's look at a few examples. Staking Cardano. Cardano holders can participate in the network by staking their coins. This not only helps secure the network, but also earns them rewards. Decentralized applications. Developers are building decentralized applications on Cardano's blockchain, targeting industries like finance, healthcare, and education. Supply chain management. Cardano's blockchain is being used to track and verify the authenticity of products in industries like agriculture and pharmaceuticals. Identity verification. In collaboration with governments and institutions, Cardano is working on digital identity solutions that ensure data security and privacy. The future of Cardano looks exciting, but the platform still has milestones to achieve. Scalability with Hydra is a Layer 2 scaling solution that aims to increase the network's transaction speed and reduce costs. With Hydra, Cardano could potentially handle millions of transactions per second. Expanded smart contract capabilities. With the rollout of Plutus, Cardano is making its smart contracts more accessible for developers. This could lead to a surge in decentralized app creation and adoption. Partnerships in emerging markets. Cardano is focusing on real-world adoption, especially in Africa. By forming partnerships with governments and businesses, it's positioning itself as a blockchain for social impact. Interoperability. Cardano is working on becoming more interoperable with other blockchains. This would allow different cryptocurrencies and platforms to communicate seamlessly, creating a more connected crypto ecosystem. Decentralized governance. The Voltaire phase of Cardano's roadmap will introduce a fully decentralized governance system. Cardano holders will have the power to propose and vote on changes to the network, making it truly community-driven. Of course, no cryptocurrency is perfect, and Cardano is no exception. It faces challenges such as 1. Slow development. Some critics argue that Cardano's research-first approach delays progress compared to faster-moving competitors like Ethereum and Solana. 2. Adoption barriers. While Cardano is gaining traction, its real-world adoption still lags behind Ethereum. 3. Competitors. With so many blockchain platforms in the market, Cardano must continually innovate to stay relevant. Despite the challenges, Cardano represents a unique vision in the crypto world. Its emphasis on sustainability, security, and scalability makes it a strong contender for long-term success. Whether you're a crypto investor, a developer, or just curious about blockchain technology, Cardano's story is one worth following. Its potential to solve real-world problems and promote financial inclusion could reshape the way we think about money and technology. And that's a wrap on Cardano. What do you think about this innovative blockchain platform? Are you an ADA holder, or do you think another crypto will take the crown? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to 1. Smash that like button. 2. Subscribe to the Daily Crypto Report for more crypto insights. 3. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.